Twin Soles TV coming at you with another sneaker video. Alright, as expected, Twin Soles, early boys coming at you with another early pickup. None other than the Jordan 12 Twist. Alright, so the Jordan 12 Twist, or metallic red as some people have been calling it, will be releasing July 24th, 2021 for the normal box price of $190. $190. Before we go any further in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're not already, follow us on all social media at twin_soles. That's twin_soles. Alright, going further, the official colorway reads white, black, and university red. Alright. The Twist 12 is the first time we see this colorway, though it is similar to a lot of other colorways we get with the Retro 12. A lot of being the Rising Sun 12, the Cherry 12s, and the Fever 12s that released not too long ago. All play with the red and white colorway. But this one here, we get an all-white upper, all-white outsole, midsole, whatever you want to call it, but then they give us these little subtle red accents that go along right around the midsole, and the red aglet loops at the top. Other than that, we get some black with the sock liner and the pull tab that we get on every Retro 12. On the back, we get the 2-3 as well as Jordan going up the hill, and it reads, "Quality inspired by the greatest player ever." Quality inspired by the GOAT. Also, going down the middle of the tongue, we have the iconic 2-3 TWO and numeral 3 on the tongue, as well as we have a nice black Jumpman on the tongue. Also, if you guys are looking where you can pick these up, you can pick these up at all major retailers. Also, you can pick them up if you have trouble picking them up at twinsoles.com. That is twin-soles.com. We got early pairs as well as release date pairs available. So head over to the website and pick yours up today.